Nashi and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a review of these floral water decals from BeautyBigBang. Thanks Maggie for sending me these to review. You can use my code Nashi for 10% off in their website. I will be doing a review of these floral water decals. You can check my blog for a more detailed review. The link is in the description box. The set consists in 24 different floral water decals. They are really cute. Here you can see all the 24 designs, and let me know in the comments section which of these designs you would like to see in a nail art. I have already applied base coat and then painted my nails white except my ring and middle finger. Start by cutting the design you want. Then, remove the transparent film. Plunge into water for 10 to 20 seconds. You can use tweezers to help you or your fingers. Slide out the bottom paper. Place the decal on your nail and remove the excess of water. Using an angled brush and nail polish remover, clean the excess of the decals. Apply a base coat to seal the decals. Hope you liked this review. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, thumbs up, share, and I see you in my next video.